Okay guys, I might have gone a little bit overboard over the past few months. This here, I have designed an entire crochet bucket hat collection. Let me show you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rhiannon and welcome to Reloved. I make beginner-friendly crochet projects and tutorials, free patterns, and lots of granny square inspo for you. Today I'm showing you my brand new bucket hat crochet collection. So let's get started. I wanted this collection to be summer vibes, but also you can wear them in winter time for like a little hat cozy. Let's get started with the pink hat. A lot of pink. I think it's one of my favorite colors to work with. This first hat is giving Neapolitan ice cream vibes and I love it. And it's super cute. Most of these bucket hats are made from recycled materials. So I either get my yarn from a thrift store, I usually get it from like other people that don't want the yarn anymore, or I get it from a wholesaler that has all this scrap yarn and they kind of like put it together to make a ball of yarn. This is yeah. This next hat is my absolute favorite I've ever made. It's all dark pink with a little bit of light pink in it, and it is honestly so pretty. This yarn I got from thrift store. I got it in this big pack. I don't want to sell this one, but I have to. Next hat is this angel hat, I'm calling it. It's super cute. It's just white and pink. And I'm thinking of adding little flowers to my hats when I sell them at the markets. So like that. So yeah. The next hat is the chunky hat. I had this chunky yarn just lying around and I was like, what should I do with it? And I was like, I'll turn it into a chunky bucket hat. This works really well for winter as well and it feels super soft. And then this one is the vibrant bucket hat. I have already made one of these before and it did sell very well. So this one's also got a little bit of purple in it and then multicolored pink and orange as well. And then these four are just kind of similar vibes. Just multicolored pinks and orange and purple. Super cute. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next colors. This is them. This is the first one. Now this hat is made from one giant ball of yarn that is multicolored. I had so much of this yarn, I didn't know what to do with it. I've also got a matching bag. Let me show you. Oh, there's a hat in here. Bag hat combo. Anyway, moving on. This is my pastel kind of vibe hat. Super cute. It's made with just scrap pieces of yarn that I had and I just put it all together, and I think these hats always turn out super cute and nice. Another one of those here. I really like these colors. They work really well together. And then I have another one like that too. Pastel one, which is so cute, and it's also done with the same, just like any like long pieces of yarn that I can't make a full project with, I'll just put it in this hat and it turns out so cute. This one's really pretty. This is a pastel one. Okay, this next category is all the blues and greens and purples. Let's start with my favorite, which is this one. It's all purple colors. It definitely is much more brighter off camera, but I showed my boyfriend this one and he said it looks like grapes. So this is the grape bucket hat. It's super pretty. The next one is this beautiful green combo. If you have a dark green bathing suit, how cute would this go with it? I really like this one too. And again, it's definitely more vibrant in person. Next, I have just some blue hats. So I have this one, which is more of a children's hat as well. This one is super pretty and like beachy vibes as well. Then I have a darker bucket hat. I think this one is quite big and I probably might fix it so it has more of a tighter fit. But this one's super cute. And then these two are very similar colors as well. So like a pastel blue here and then darker blue here. So I make all my bucket hats with chunky yarn and I use an 8mm hook. And normally what I'll do is I'll grab some yarn here and then I'll just double it up and work with it like this so it's thicker. And I start my bucket hats in a circle and then they get bigger and bigger and bigger until they fit your head. Each of my bucket hats have a slightly different fit because of the yarn that I use, because I use recycled yarn, so I never know the weight of. Every hat fits a little bit differently, but that's perfectly fine. You just pick the hat you want. Okay, tell me in the comments which hat was your favorite. My favorite was the grape one, the green one, and the dark pink one. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my crochet bucket hat collection. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!